Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to add a Visa gift card to Cash App. Really easy and simple. First, make sure that your Visa gift card actually has a balance. So what you can do is you can visit the website on the back of the gift card or call the number to check your balance. And ensure that your balance is actually enough to transfer. Because Cash App does not allow partial transfers. And if required, just register your card with a billing address on the issuer's website. And then this is what you do. Okay? Link your Visa gift card to PayPal. Now let me explain why. Since Cash App doesn't accept gift card directly, so what you will do, the best method is to transfer your gift card balance via PayPal. Now, let me explain to you what's happening here. Okay? First, open a PayPal app, tap on wallet, tap on link a card, and then enter your Visa gift card details. And if successful, your gift card will appear in your PayPal balance. Then what you do in PayPal, you go to wallet, okay, then go to transfer money, then tap on transfer to your bank, and then select your linked bank account. Then enter the amount from your Visa gift card balance and confirm. Now this money should arrive within 1 to 3 business days, or instantly if you choose the paid transfer option. Then what you do is once the funds are in your bank account, you open up Cash App, tap on Add Cash, and enter the amount. Select your linked bank account and confirm the transfer. And the money now will be available in your Cash App for use. So to run it down, what you did, took your Visa card, added it to your PayPal balance, took that balance and transferred it to your bank. Now this same bank account that's linked to Cash App, you will use it to add the funds to your Cash App. And now you have the funds in your Cash App. And you can actually do this whole process for completely free. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.